Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It is Mentor Farms, and in today's video I will be discussing something I found very interesting. I've been struggling to make this video because in my mind I feel, is this necessary to share? And somehow I think it's also important that I also share this particular story. Why I find it difficult, or why I struggle making this video, is I feel it is something common and it's something very easy, and the money involved is not as big as most of the projects I do. But in another thought again, I think I said to myself, it is good to just share, no matter how small. There are people that need that information, no matter how small or how minute it might be. There are people that still want to do that business. So in this video I'll be sharing how I was able to raise 120,000 in 30 days. 120,000 in 30 days from Spinach, and it's a very interesting story, I must say. And if you pay attention to the end of this video, you will be able to understand why I struggled making this video and how you can also replicate this result and even make it more bigger than I did. So I raised 420,000 selling Spinach in 30 days, and it only cost me just 5,000 naira to make 120,000 in 30 days. I'll show you how I did it, and I'll share with you how I was able to raise that particular money in 30 days. Make sure you watch till the end. So late November 2024, that is like 6 months ago or 7 months ago, late November, around 20th of November, we are already in the dry season, and I was thinking, what should I do? I was about planting a pumpkin, that's fluted pumpkin. I was about planting fluted pumpkin, and I said, what else can I do that is a leafy vegetable apart from pumpkin? And I said, okay, let me just add spinach, a little bit of spinach at the back of the pumpkin, to also see what I can get from it. So I will also be displaying some part of the farm while I'm also teaching, so you can also follow through. So I had just 4 beds at the end, at the back of my fluted pumpkin farm. I had just 4 long bed at the back where I said I'll just do small spinach and see how the result will be. And mind you, it is dry season, so what you pick out from this particular video, it is not every time you plant spinach that you make so much money. You also need to pay attention to time and season. That was the reason why I was able to make that much with just 5,000 naira. Okay, so I had just 4 beds at the back of my fluted pumpkin farm, where I now bought spinach seeds, 5,000 naira worth of seed. That was the only thing I bought, 5,000 naira worth of seed. And another thing again, if you want to do this particular farm, you know it is dry season, you must have water source. And what saved me is that I have a water source already that I supply water to the farm with. So water was not a problem, so I had water already. So I already had to spend money doing buying the seed. The bed I did it myself, so there is no cost of production apart from the seed I bought. Okay, so long story short, I planted that particular spinach, I think around 25th or 26th of November last year. So I will not take you through the process of how many days it took to germinate and all those things. Those one will be in my practical video. This particular one is just a theory and sharing with you how I was able to raise 120k in 30 days. So cutting the long story short, in 3 weeks, our spinach was already grown, mature, and ready for the market in just 3 weeks. And how was that possible? If you have been following my channel, you go back to November, you will see a video I did when we started the vegetable farm. You can trace back this thing I'm saying to November. You can go back to my video and you watch it. So 3 weeks after planting, our spinach was ready for the market in just 3 weeks. What I tried to do was to make sure that in the first 2 weeks of that particular plant, I give them everything that they need, both the treatment, the fertigation process that I did. I actually used manual method to send my fertilizer. The manuring was top notch. The treatment, prevention, I did not actually treat. I prevented because I know it is a short-term plant. So the prevention and also the manuring, fertigation, everything was just top-notch in the first 2 weeks. That was how I was able to hit up the maturity. At the third week, the spinach, we are ready for the market. So at the fourth week of production, we started selling. And in 1 month, we sold about 120,000 worth of spinach from 5,000 naira seed that I didn't even finish. So it was just like trying to do a test run with a small space remaining in my farm and see if this spinach can actually give me something. And to my greatest surprise, it was over 1,000%, if there's anything like that, 1,000% of what I put in. Imagine having 5,000 naira seed for spinach and you're able to sell in 1 month. You sold 120,000. That is over 115,000 naira in profit from just 5k. So why did I say I struggle making this video? I struggled because I feel 120k is not that big money now. It's just a small money, but it is important to note it is just a small space. Now, if you want to go into spinach farm full time, you can do way more bigger than what I did. So you can do way more bigger, you can get more land space to do spinach and you make so much money doing that. Okay, so the reason why I had that 120k is because of the size and the size of my inputs, and it was over 1,000% profit. Now mind you, if you want to make such humongous profit in your vegetable, especially spinach, you have to be time conscious. You cannot plant it in March or April and expect to make such money, or you plant it in July and expect to make such amount of money. No, you have to be time conscious because it works with season. So the reason why I was able to make such amount, it was because it is dry season. If you're in Nigeria, you understand what I mean by, or if you're in Africa, you understand what I mean by dry season. So it is because of the season. Now vegetable at that particular period is scarce. There was no water to plant. People that have available water or water supply can just manage and do their farming. So vegetable at that time, at that particular time of the year, November, December, January, February, March, is always scarce. So that was why I was able to make such amount planting spinach of 5,000 to make 120,000 in just 30 days. So if you want to do that, be time conscious and plan to work towards the dry season. That is when you will squeeze the juice of your vegetable farm. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for people that want to start small or start vegetable farming. You can actually learn from it. No amount is too small to start. You can see just starting with 5,000 naira, doing a little space in my farm, and I was able to raise that amount. So no amount is too small to start. Once you have what it takes to start, you can actually start. See you guys in my next video, and make sure you subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next one.